How to turn on two-step verification on your Google account. First, open your mobile YouTube app, then tap on your YouTube account logo and then tap on Manage your Google account option. Then you will see the security option and tap on it. Then you scroll down and find two-step verification option and tap on it. Then enter your email and phone number and tap on Next option. Then enter this account password and tap on Next option. Then you click on Get Start option, then you click on Continue option. Then a new background will open. You select your country and enter your phone number. Then you will get verification OTP on your phone number and then enter the verification code and tap on Next option. Then tap Turn on option and two-step verification will be enabled on your Google account. If you want to turn off two-step verification on your Google account, tap the Turn Off option. Thanks for watching.